So we are test fitting my brand new wheels today. Peluchin is about to do quick unboxing. Dale. So we got the wheels ready. There it is, it's touching down right now.
We go on the beat.
Welcome back, you guys. Back-to-back videos. I'm telling you guys, I'm trying to crank out as much content as possible. Okay, so how long has it been since the last video on my wheel drop in regards to ceramic coating my wheels? I think it's been like a little over a month, and the anticipation has built up, and everybody has been asking me, when are you dropping the video on the wheels? When are you revealing the wheels? Well, guess what? Today, a couple of members are going to be able to see the wheels because we're going to test fit them. We're on our way to Mahmoud's house. If you guys don't know who Mahmoud is, he is basically our NorCal chapter lead for natives, and he drives a super badass built Dodge Charger. Now we're currently on our way to link up with him. I'm meeting up at his house, and from there we're actually going to go to Rolling Stock. If you don't know what Rolling Stock is, it's a pretty known tire shop here in the Bay, located on Bayshore. I'll give you the rundown once we pull up, but yes, the wheels are behind me. There's one in the trunk. Today is really more so just test fit. We're gonna test fit the wheels. We're gonna figure out what tires and what size I will be running for my setup. I have an idea, but I'm not trying to pull the trigger on brand new wheels if I don't like the fitment, you know? So let's pull up real quick and we'll go from here. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, go down, hit the subscribe button, show some support, show some love. Let's get started with this video today. Oh man, you already know Mahmoud never misses. Always pulling out clean. You see it? Carl was talking about. That is his. And like I said, NorCal chapter lead. Damn, that shit looks so fire. Okay, so being that Mahmoud is actually sponsored by Rolling Stock, the shop we're going to, we're gonna follow him just because he is basically our guide today. The guy that's gonna show us the routes. His fitment is perfect, so I'm trying to achieve that. And then if you can see behind him, we got Peluchin who's tagging along, and another tuner that pulled up. Next stop, Rolling Stock. Today is a good day. Now, I am yet to get both Peluchin and Mahmoud's reactions on the new wheels. They're officially going to be the first ones to actually see the wheels before anybody else does. Now, being that Mahmoud and Peluchin are going to be the first ones to actually see the wheels, I'm excited to see their reactions once we arrive, and you know, we give them a quick glimpse of the new wheels. I know I'm pretty sure their reaction is gonna just stay tuned. Let's see their reaction with the new wheels. We have just arrived. Rolling Stock, located on Bayshore and Industrial. So shout out to Mahmoud for leading us here. Like I said, he is sponsored, and we actually have a canopy with them, so let's see what they tell us. Alright, so Peluchin is about to do quick unboxing. I want to see his reaction real quick. Mahmoud, a ver, ponte ahí.
¿Listo?
Yo, pero no los saques, solo míralos, dale. You guys see it? Pulled up to Rolling Stock. Said they needed my autograph, so I had to bless them real quick. Dang, I can't even do it with one hand. So we got the wheels ready. We got the beamer, we're about to lift it up. And then once we get it up in the air, test fit and see where we're sitting. All right, tuner, ¿qué piensas?
Fuck, ese carro va a quedar like perfect.
Perfect, you heard it from Peluchin. So we just gotta wait now. Now, you guys don't know how long I've been waiting for this moment. It is a rather bittersweet moment just because I'm gonna see the wheels on the car after they've been, you know, basically redone and refinished. And I'm finally gonna see some tire on it. Meaning I'm gonna be able to know exactly how the fitment's gonna be looking like, and I can then pull my trigger on what tires to get. So I'm excited, man. It's a good day. It's a good day. Tuner, it's a good day.
Yeah, good day.
Good day. What do you think? ¿Qué piensas?
Esta mierda se descontroló.
You heard it here. 275.
30.
So we got the exclusive look back here. Yeah, true. So we got 275, 35, 19, 295.
35. I can't speak up here. That's it.
Oh man.
30.
245, 235, 285. That's a 30 though. I mean, let's see. So you know, two people on one job when it comes to a wheel. They're not trying to mess up. Shout out to Rolling Stock. Shout out to Mario. There it is. It's touching down right now. We're about to see what that fitment's looking like. So the test fit was a success. We got the tires dialed in. I know my rear setup now. We're gonna be running a 275, 35, 19. And in the front, we're gonna go with a 255, 35, 19. Now, because I only brought two wheels, obviously test fit, I'm gonna bring them back hopefully in the next couple of days, all four wheels to get mounted on, balanced, and installed. And after that, I guess you can say we can officially reveal the wheels to you guys. The fact that like it's been so long, I got to see the car with the wheels on for the first time today with proper fitment, meaning I fell in love with the car yet again. And on top of that, we still have more to come. I'm telling you, this build is coming along. I know it took a little longer than expected, but due to the fact that, you know, like I don't come from money doesn't grow on trees, I kind of have to be, you know, I got to be smart with my money, and I got to be able to, you know, save a couple, spend a little, save a couple more, and slowly go about it, you know. I'm not just trying to full send it, you know, although I could. Financially, you want to be smart. So with that, I want to give a huge shout out to Mario over at Rolling Stock. I also want to give a huge shout out to Rolling Stock and the employees. Check them out, hit them up if you need any assistance whatsoever with wheels, tires, fitment, and everything. They specialize in everything. So I'm gonna leave it at that. More videos to come, more content to come. Do stay updated, you guys. I'm telling you, the moment the reveal drops, I mean, it's gonna be a game changer for the whole car. So y'all know what to do. So we will be visiting Rolling Stock rather shortly, rather soon, I would say. For the time being, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like always, keep it authentic, y'all. Till the next one. Peace.